Good morning, all. I am keep on saying we are discussing about your module 4, chapter 1, virtual memory management. In the previous video, we discussed about your page replacement algorithm and that first page replacement algorithm, FIFO, first in, first out. So, in this video, let's discuss about the next page replacement algorithm method, how that will work and how to calculate the values. In the previous video, we saw that how the page replacement algorithm will take place and what do you mean by Bilet's anomaly. In this video, I am going to discuss about your LRU. It is nothing but least recently used. So, what you will do in a first come first in first out, you will be replacing the page based on whether the page is the oldest one. By that time you are going to replace that page and you will be allocating the new page for that particular frame. But what happens in this LRU method, uh, latest recently used method, you are going to check which is having in the least recently used also, you are going to check which is the oldest one and you will be replacing that. For example, if 2 is repeated, if 2 is the new, if 2 is already existing in the page frame, still it is arrived once again, means at that point of time you will be considering the value of 2 is equal to 1. It means it is going to restart from that frame, from that particular column. So you will be get clear about once you solving the problem. Let's solve this problem. This is the previous example what I have solved for FIFO and FIFO page replacement algorithm. I am taking the same example for solving for least recently used. Here the page frame 1, the first arriving page number is 1, that will be allocated to your page frame 1. Once is as you already done in your FIFO. Once it is done, you are allocating 2 to the page frame 2 and you are allocating 3 to the page frame 3. Next year you need to allocate 4 is the new page. For that you need to allocate the page frame. How you will allocate the page frame? Here also you will be considering the oldest one. But how? Here 1 is the oldest one, so you are replacing that because it is not already existing in the page frame. So it is a new page. For that new page you are allocating the page frame value. So 1 is replaced by 4 in the page frame 1. Next you will be keep on adding that. But it means you will be the other two page frame values will remain same. Next, the page frame 2. The page 2 is already existing in the page frame. So here what you will do, you are not you are retaining all the values as it is, but from this point of view, from this point of view 2 will be from this point of view you will be considering this as a 1. It means already it repeated for 3 times, this is the 4th time, but here onwards whenever you consider whenever you are taking for consideration for replacing the oldest one, you are starting from here. This is the first for the page number 2. This is how your LRU will work, and this is you will for this particular instance you will mark it as hit 1. Next is 5. 5 is not existing in the page frame, so you need to replace the oldest one. Here you need to check 4 is repeated for 2 times, but 1 is existing for only 1 time. 3 is repeated for 3 times, so here the oldest page is 3. You are going to replace the page 3 by 5. Keep other values as it is. Once it is done, the page next is page 3. 3 is not present in the frame, so you need to replace the oldest one. Here 4 is the oldest page, so you are going to replace that 4 by 3. 3, 2, 5. And next is 4. Next value is 4. Here you need to replace the oldest one. So 3 is repeated arrived for only once, 2 is repeated for 3 times, and here 5 is repeated for 2 times. The oldest one is 2, so you are replacing 2 by 4. Keep other values as it is. Next is 2. 2 is not existing in the frame, so you need to replace. 5 is the oldest one, so replace 5 by 2. Next is 6. 6 is also a new page. You need to replace the value. So you are here replacing. 3 is the oldest one. 3 is replaced by 6. 4, 2. Next the page number is 7. 7 is get replaced by 4, 6, 7 and 2. Next is 8. It is a new page. For that new page you need to allocate from the existing one. 2 is the oldest one, so replace 2 by 8. Next is 7. Here 7 is already existing in the frame. So what you want to do, you are going to do is you will be keep the values as it is, and you are marking is it as a page hit. From here you will be considering the value of 7 as a 1. You are not considering it is repeated for 3 times. You will be considering from here the count will be get restarted. Next 9, you need to replace the 9. 6 repeated for 4 times, so that is the oldest page. You will be replacing 6 by 9. Keep 7 and 8 as it is. Next is 7. 7 is again it is repeating. It is already existing in the frame. So 9, 7, 8. This is your page 3. Here again the value of 7 value of 7 is getting restarted. Next you need to allocate for 8. 8 is already existing in the frame. So here what you will do, keep the values as it is. You are not going to replace any value, but 8 will get restarted from here. This is your page 4. Next is 2. This is a new page frame. This is the new page. For this new page you need to allocate the page frame from the replacing the oldest page. Here 9 is repeated for 3 times, 7 is repeated for 2 and 8 is existing for only one time. So here 9 is the oldest one, replace 9 by 2, 7, 8. Next is 5. 5 is the new page frame. You need to replace that. Here 7 is repeated for 3 times, that is the oldest page. So repeat that. Next is 4. 4 is also a new page. You need to replace from any one of the oldest page. Here 2 is repeated for 2 times, but 8 is repeated for 3 times. So 8 is the oldest page. So replace 8 by 4. Again 9. 9 is the new page. You need to replace that. Here 2 is repeated for 3 times, 5 is repeated for 2 times and 4 is for 1 time. So 2 is the oldest page, replace 2 by 9. Here we go. The total number of pages is 4 and total number of page fault is always the total number of reference string minus total number of pages. It is 20 minus 4. The total number of page fault is 16. This is how you will perform, or this is how you will do in LRU method. And next, that is for page frame 3. Let's solve the same problem for page frame 4. Here we go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 4 page frame, starting 4 address will be allocated without any confusions, without any repetitions and all. Once it is done, 2 is repeated in the 2 is already existing in the frame, so keep as it is. This is your page 1. From here the value of 2 is going to restart. The count of 2 is going to restart. 5 is the new page, so you need to replace from the oldest one. 1 is the oldest page, So replace 1 by 5. 5, 2, 3, 4. Next is 3. 3 already existing in the frame. Keep the values as it is. But from here 3, the value count for 3 is going to reset. This is page 2. Next is 4. 4 is already present in the frame. So keep values as it is. One small change is 4 is going to restart. The count of 4 is going to restart from that point. Next is 2. Again 2 is already existing in the page frame. From here the value of 2 will get restarted. That is page 4. Next is 6. 6 is the new page frame. Here 5 is repeated for 4 times and 2 is repeated. 2 is existing for only one time because you are restarting the count from at this point. So 2 is existing for only one time. 3 is repeated for 3 times. 4 is repeated for 2 times. Here the oldest page is 5. So you are going to replace that 5 by 6. Retain other values as it is. Next is 7. 7 is the new page. Again you need to replace from the oldest one. Here 3 is the oldest page. So replace 3 by 7. Keep other values as it is. Next is 8. 8 is also a new page. Need to replace that need page from the existing oldest page. So 4 is the existing oldest page. Replace 4 by 8. 6 to 7. Then 4 is replaced by 8. Next is 7. 7 is already existing in the frame. So keep values as it is. This is page 5. From here the value of 7 is going, the count of 7 is going to restart. Again 9. 9 is the new page. You need to replace that. But here 2 is the oldest page. So replace 2 by 9. 7 is already existing and next referencing is 7. 7 is already existing in the frame, so keep the values as it is. But 7 is, the count of 7 will be get restarted from this point. This is page 6. Next is 8. 8 is already present in the frame. From here the value of 8 is going to restart. This is page 7. Next is 2. 2 is not existing in the page frame, so you need to replace the oldest one. Here the oldest page is 6. So replace 6 by 2. 2, 9, 7, 8. 5 is the new page, so replace from the oldest one. 9 is the oldest page here, so replace 9 by 5. Next is 4. 4 is also a new page. Replace the new page from the oldest page. Here compared to other 7 is the oldest page. So replace 7 by 4. Next is 9. 9 is also a new page. You need to replace that. Here now the oldest page is 8. So replace 8 by 9. In this particular page frame, when the page frame size is 4, the hit value or the total number of hits is 7. So what is the total number of page faults? 20 minus 7. 13. So total number of page faults is 13. This is how it will work, or this is how you will calculate for LRU. In LRU, least recently used page replacement algorithm. This is how you will be calculating. Please solve more problems on different kind of page replacement algorithms. Any doubts, revert me back.